video for day 2. How many calories, ounces of steak, clean meats are you consuming on your eating day? And do you add salt or Gatorade or coconut water, etc. to help hold water? What is your current weight and height? And are you leaning up or maintaining the same weight? Thank you for your work. This is good stuff. So, I try to consume around, when I eat every other day, to consume around 4,000 calories of food, just to maintain my body weight. I'm 1 meter and 80 centimeters, and I weigh around 80 kilograms. I add a lot of salt to my diet, because when you don't eat every day, you need electrolytes. So sometimes I add salt to my water I'm drinking. Next question. 2XK asks, Guru, can you answer the question, is playing video games decrease or increase in telekinetic powers? It's a clear decrease of telekinetic powers to play video games. All the frequencies from screens, they manipulate the frequencies in your brain. The more you consume video games and TV in general, or computers, it messes up your system, brings you out of balance. So, less is more. Don't try to play too much video games, okay? Next question. Omar X Gamer says, this video really helped me, man. Now I know my problem. I am fat. Very, very fat. Omar, it's time to lose this weight. You don't want to look like this your entire life. You want to be lean, attractive, and healthy. Lose this weight. Do your body a favor. Uma Devi says, how can I learn Pyrokinesis and Hydrokinesis in 1 week? That's a very good question, Uma. I'm gonna talk about these kinesises in a couple of days, but just to break it down real quick, telekinesis training always helps with Pyrokinesis and Hydrokinesis and other kinesises, so just be patient. Lily and Aiden says, did some exercises. I'm ready for the 3rd day. That's great, Aiden and Lily. Do more exercises. It's gonna be good for you. Nico Nightmare asks, can I jump rope? Because I can't do any of the other things. And I'm still 11 years old. I can't just eat once a day. I promise. I'm not complaining. I'm just sorry if I said something wrong. Yes, you can do jump ropes. You do not need to go run if you don't want to. Jumping ropes are a great exercise. You still can do push-ups or pull-ups. Do these exercises, you're gonna get stronger. I started doing push-ups when I was 11, so can you. A. Joel says, but we eat rice every day and I can't change that. I am aware that in some cultures, eating rice is a big deal, and you can't just stop eating rice. And I understand that. So what you need to do is cutting fat instead. So don't eat any fat if you have to eat carbohydrates. Separate those two things in meals. Ginger BG asks, Guru, I have a question. You know Pyrokinesis and Pyrokinesis, but is there more? Like Pyrokinesis fire, Pyrokinesis is air. I think there's like the ability to make ice or something else like unknown kinesises, you know? There's many kinesis out there, but they all come from the same source. For example, cryokinesis, the kinesis over ice. You can't make ice, you can move ice. Just like with pyrokinesis, you can move fire or create a fire. There's many kinesis, but don't worry about that too much, because all of the kinesises, they come from the same source of telekinesis. Last question. Harsh Shende asks, do you know about Aaron's Veeder? He also teaches telekinesis like you, and he also wears a mask like you. I have seen a couple of his videos. I don't know him personally. Many of you sent me messages, and yes, I do know about him. So these are the questions out of the comment section, but I also got a few emails. Let's see. Jaden says, hello, I have recently started telekinesis and I can manage to move a bottle forwards and backwards. I've been a huge fan of your channel, thank you, for a long time now, and it's made me dedicated to do telekinesis. I'll put a video so you can see what I can do now. And he sent me a video how he's moving a bottle back and forth. Very, very impressive. Good job, Jaden. Gamer40 Tech sent me an email saying, I can do aerokinesis very easily, but I cannot do telekinesis. Why? Please help me. If you are very good at one kinesis, but very bad at the other, just focus on the one you're good at. The other one is going to come by itself. Don't get frustrated. Be patient. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for listening. And soon, day 3 of our 7-day telekinesis challenge is going to go up. Thank you for your patience.